What you got going on, Tits?
Hey y'all, I'm up here doing Prince's food. It's holistic food. I'm just mixing it together. And you see him in the background. He can't wait. So, everybody think his own, well, this is his own spoon now. It's his own stuff. He got his own silverware and all that stuff. So, that's all I'm doing. Mixing his food together with his carrots, his green powder if I don't want to give him spinach. And that's it. Come on, Prince. Go on and eat. Come on.
Bon appetit.
Dog appetit.
Oh, there you go. He loving that. That's what he love.
Baby.
Hey, I know it look like slop to us, but hey, it's gourmet style for him. Ain't that right, Princey Prue?
Super dog Prince.
Yeah. That's right.
I'm creating my grocery list since I'm gonna make some street tacos, Cali style. So I don't forget anything, I'm making a grocery list. So this is the things that we're gonna need. Shredded cheese. Onions. Ground turkey. I prefer lean because it's less fattening. Bell peppers. Gotta have your bell peppers. Bella mushrooms. That's my spin on it, okay? Scallions. Sour cream. Gotta have your sour cream. Spinach. Trying to see, am I missing? Oh, street taco tortillas. And it actually says that. Oh, and your seasoning. Taco seasoning. Whatever you prefer. I'm doing it like this because it makes it easier when I serve the food to everybody that I can have it already prepped. Even with the tomatoes. I normally use different type of tomatoes, but I'm gonna use what I have. You use what you have. You can use any type of tomatoes. I'm just using these, what you call these? Cherry tomatoes because it was on sale. So, and then when you do it, it looks just like this. I'm gonna display this when I have my prepping for my tacos when I get them together.
Make sure you don't cut yourself, little lady.
That's why I'm doing pinching my fingers in. Comment below to tell me, how do you guys prep for when you make your tacos? And what type of ingredients do you guys use? Comment below, let me know. I would love to hear what you guys do. Always get different ideas.
So, Kreationz, what's going on? Classic Coach Classic, whatever you want to call me. We're in the building with Kreationz with Helen. Now I want to tell y'all something, man. This girl love y'all, okay? She really do. And the thing I want to hold on, let me get this straight, make sure I'm in the frame. It's hard to tell this way. Some cameras got the ones that flip all the way up like this one right here. And we be using that and it flip all the way up like that so you can see yourself from the front like this. You can see yourself from the front like this. You know what I mean? Like, let me see if I can show it to you. But it's just like this, see? See how I had a camera, you probably see yourself through this screen right here. If I do it like this, if you can see me like this, I can see it like that. But with that one, I can't see it like that. But anyway, all right, put that back. This girl love y'all, you know that? Because she get real ecstatic, some real good feeling about doing these videos, man. And everybody have been rocking with her, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all myself, because I love to see her happy about it. Right here is what we be doing, the editing process right here. So we doing it like this video. She actually shot that herself, because I've been out of town for a minute. So she shot this herself. But this is the process. I ain't gonna get into deep detail, maybe one day, you know, walk everybody through this editing process, but this is how she do it though. I mean, this is how we do it. So, Kreationz with Helen. So like and subscribe, leave a comment on something you might want to see. For those of you that may be watching now and never subscribe, don't subscribe, man. You know what I mean? Do yourself a favor, neighbor. Yeah. Classic Coach in the building. Is Kreationz with Helen. Now back to the program at hand. Hey. Yeah, so what we got going on here, look good, it smells so good. Yeah.
So I'm sauteing or frying the scallions with the lean ground turkey. And then I'm gonna add the other ingredients as this cooks completely.
Man, it smells good. You know what, when I watch other people eat stuff on TV, and it be looking good like that, I be like, God dang. And the only thing it is just like, man, I gotta get a taste for myself. You know what I'm saying? And it looks so good, toots. C-roll. It looks so good, man. It looks good, man. Yeah. Wow. That's what I'm talking about, man. Some street tacos.
So,
yeah.
So when you cook with lean ground turkey, you don't have a lot of oil. It has less fattening in it. So I don't have to strain out all the oil out of it. That's one thing I like about it. And the color and the texture is so much better. I just like it. Lean meat tastes better and it has a lot more flavor to me. Look at the colors. I'm all about colors when you cook food. Mama told me colors is a good thing. It makes it pop, and it's all about the flavor too. So look at all these colors. It's almost like the color of the rainbow. Look, check it out. You got your bella mushrooms, your ground turkey, your scallions, 3 different colors of the bell peppers. And the reason why I add bella mushrooms in there, because you know mushrooms act as a meat. So if you don't have a lot of meat, which I didn't use a lot, I got the bella mushrooms to make it pop and make it just as meaty. The bella mushrooms and the ground turkey are both meat. I didn't have a lot of ground turkey, so I add the bella mushrooms to make it a little bit more meaty and also make it pop. Because you know you can use mushrooms as a substitution as meat. So that's what I did. And it smells so good.
Yeah, it look good too, hey.
I wish I could come through the screen and just take a bite.
Take a bite out of crime?
Yes. Not no crime.
Yeah. Take a bite out of the chime. You know what? Don't worry about it. You know what we saying. Just take a bite. Man, I almost feel like we showing off, man, because I know how good this food smells. And I know how good it's about to taste, because I know how Helen get down. I know how she get the mash out going good. It smells good, it tastes good. Oh my God, it's just good. Everybody's out of control.
And one more thing. I don't have to add water either, because mushroom also, if you can see, it makes its own water. So when I add the seasoning to it, it'll automatically soak it all up. See how the water is in there?
Let me get it back in focus.
added the hot and spicy seasoning. You can use whatever seasoning that you like, but I like a little spice, and Boo Thang do too. And it's not that hot like you guys think. But I add the seasoning to it, and as you can see, the flavor has changed, the coloring. And by you using lean, like I said, lean meat, it doesn't take as much to cook with when you use beef or regular ground turkey. So all I gotta do is let this simmer a bit, and it's ready to go. So we can eat. Okay, let that simmer on low, and we're gonna get into doing the taco shells.
Hey.
I grease the pan with olive oil. So put the street tacos in here, and I'm gonna just let them fry. Sure.
So you gonna let them bad boys fry up in there? Yeah. And she got a gang of them bad boys. I'm glad you got that many, because I can't wait to mash. I can't wait to mash, man. Hey, 313, hey, 313, hey, 313, hey, 313, hey, 314.
Hey. Make sure the skillet is nice and hot. Flip it over. Put the little seasoning on it, like I'm saying, my little secret sauce, and you know, any taco sauce you want, you just dress it up like that, and then that's it. You know, if you want to add a little bit cheese more to it, however you prefer, you know, and then fold up like that. Make them street tacos. They're supposed to be sloppy, because the sloppier the meat, the better. And voila. See?
Man, it looks so good. Hey, with some tortilla chips. That's what I'm talking about.
There you go.
I cannot begin to mention about how privileged and blessed I feel right now.
And see, and that's the reason why I did this. So when you dress it all up, it makes it so much better. But let me know if y'all gonna try this out, and let me know how this turns out. Until next time, I see you in the next video. Bye.